Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from coderkovid and you are welcome to brand new video on coderkovid channel. And today we're going to head over to length excuse me sorry length of a string. So what is the meaning? If you don't understand, please be sure to subscribe our channel to join our family and understand all about programming and coding. So what does a length stand for? Okay, so length means if I put like this 1, then the length is 1. If I do 1 2, the length of the number is 2 because the characters are 1 and 2. So this is, and if I put Kovid, it's 1 2 3 4 5. So the length of the Kovid is 5. So how can we just get the length out of the string and those primitive data types? So here is the pre-made function by Python to make you easy to find the length, and the function will just go through the all the letters and count it. So here the function is called len, and inside len there are 2 brackets. Inside them you have to specify this anything. So you can see it's 5 and you can see it's not happening because so here it's come. So object of type int has no length, so length is just for strings. Okay, so here you can see what if I put the value of Kovid inside this and I do len Kovid. It's working, guys, it's working, it will work. And what if number is given? We have to know the length of those numbers, guys. It's truly very much, literally very much simple. Just you have to do ask user for number Kovid equals 12 and Kovid equals, and we will change the int into string Kovid, and as we do length of Kovid we will get 2. Okay, so if I change this to like this much and this doesn't happen, but first we will do this. So here we will do this, after this we will do this. You can see it's 10. So it's working, guys. So this was the function that says you about those things. And if I put len, and inside this if I put list, what can happen? So let us watch through it. Kovid YouTube, and there is 2. So how did it go? It went from this, how many elements are there in this list. So this is the function, guys, and len takes arguments that is in string or in list. So guys, this much for today. It was nice talking to you and hope you guys like this video. If you do please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon right beside it. So thanks for watching and I'll meet you in the next video.